Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. Subconscious mind healing is one of the area during the twin flame inner work which you have to work on. You have to heal this particular area, and so whether you're a twin flame or a non-twin flame person, if you are doing your inner work, shadow work, so this is one of the area which you have to work on. So I'm sure you all must have heard that there are people who offer this kind of service, that they are offering you subconscious mind healing sessions. Mostly this will be paid, and I'm sure there are few% people who also offers for not charging any sort of energy exchange. So in both the cases, if you have this mindset that subconscious mind healing is possible or is the only way to heal it through those paid sessions or non-paid sessions, no, you have to understand there are karmic lessons attached to each and every area during the inner work, whether it is your mental, emotional, physical, financial or spiritual. There are karmic lessons, and energy work is required. Healing sessions may help, but karmic lessons other person cannot teach you. It is you who have to recognize your karmic lessons, and you have to do lot of work to break a karmic pattern and end a karmic cycle. Other people through energy sessions cannot change your belief system. They cannot interfere in your belief system. Someone can only tell you, but it is you who would be making changes within yourself, whether it is about your physical body or about your inner belief system. Energy healing sessions, whether it is for subconscious mind healing or any other kind of healing, it will surely give you peace, relaxation for maybe few seconds, few minutes, few days, or max for a month time, not more than that. But then you have to understand karmic lessons cannot be learned through healing sessions. So other person cannot do your inner work on your behalf. If there is someone who claims that they can do your inner work, or you can pay this much or that much and then they will help you in doing the inner work. So you have to have this acceptance that you can only take those guided meditations or healing sessions, which is not going to make you learn your karmic lessons. And inner work is incomplete without you learning your karmic lesson and without you breaking the karmic pattern and karmic cycle, which is again very challenging and also time taking process. Like there are people who claims that they can give you some sort of amulet or maybe other kind of product, a physical product, which can protect you from black magic, which is not the reality. For example, you have to wear a crystal, understood, but then in case you do not take care of your physical body in terms of what you are eating and about your habits, and also if you're not doing the physical cleansing and energy cleansing of your house, if you do not have boundaries, if you do not have strong boundaries with your own people and with outsiders, nobody can protect you from any sort of energy attack. So crystal or any other kind of amulet plays an important role in energy healing and protection, but then the area it covers only 10 to 20% max. Rest of the work is connected to your physical cleansing and your habits and your belief system and your daily regular spiritual practices. So there are people who think that they can buy some sort of sessions from other people, and I'm talking about those people who are going through spiritual attacks back to back. So still they have this mindset that if they wear such kind of amulet or they take some sort of energy session or they do some sort of energy cleansing work, then they will be protected. So that is not the reality, and this is connected to your belief system. There are karmic lessons and karmic patterns which you have to work on. So for money, you can have n number of karmic lessons and karmic patterns and karmic cycle. So if you are someone who is earning well, maybe that you're not able to save money, or maybe that you spend lot of money which creates energetic blockages in your money area, or maybe you spend on unnecessary things. So these are karmic lessons which you have to learn. Or you might have a habit of helping others without saving your own money for your own situations, and at the end you are staying empty, and then you might feel regret that you helped someone and they are not ready to help you back in your toughest situations. So these kinds of habits and situations will again create a lot of energetic blockages. There are many karmic lessons which you have to learn around money, around financial area of your life. N number of karmic lessons can be there in a person's life. So I hope that I am clear that karmic lessons cannot be learned through any sort of energy healing sessions. You always have to learn your karmic lesson. You have to identify the patterns in your life in each and every area: mental, emotional, physical, financial, and spiritual. And then you have to start working on it. There will be a lot of habit which you have to make changes. You might not like to make changes, but then you have to. So otherwise you cannot break a pattern. And when you try to break a karmic pattern or karmic cycle, there will be a lot of dark forces which would want you to continue the same toxic pattern in your life, and that becomes so difficult for people to understand why they are not able to break it, why they keep on repeating such karmic patterns and karmic cycles. So people are generally having this kind of belief system that they can do any sort of healing or karmic cleansing can be done through healing sessions, because there are people who are trying to force this kind of belief system on humans or on the humanity, that this is possible through them because they are healer, or they try showing n number of people that they took this session from them and then it worked for them. So this is a reality. No, this is karmic lesson cannot be learned through healing sessions. But I always suggest people, in case you think this is a reality, go ahead and take those sessions wherever you want to. Observe your life. You will realize that you still have to follow what I have just told you, that you have to identify your karmic patterns, karmic cycles, and then work on it. And this is quite challenging. You cannot break a karmic pattern, karmic cycle within a month time, or even within a 6 month time, depending on your willpower and how spiritually strong you are. There will be a lot of spiritual practices which you have to continue in case you decide to work on your karmic patterns and karmic cycles. Learning a karmic lesson is a personal responsibility which cannot be handled or taken care by other person. It is pure your own responsibility, and only you can do it. Nobody else can do it. Karmic lessons are the patterns of consciousness, and for example, you have a habit of eating junk food, and you might be going through constant anxiety, depression, because it affects your physical body and your emotional body and energy body. So now if you recognize since how long you are being living this way, maybe for 10 years, 20 years, or maybe more than that, so for physical illness, this is one of the biggest reason. There can be other reason, but this is one of the reason. If you more eat junk food, so the day you recognize this karmic lesson, karmic pattern in your life, that this is a karmic pattern, since very long time you wanted to discontinue this habit of eating junk food, but you are not able to do it. So now first you have to become very stubborn with yourself that you want to break this habit. So what would you do? You would decide a particular number of days or months that you would not be eating junk food even for a day. So, or maybe even once for 1 month or 3 months. So what would you face? You will face lot of cravings. Those are created by dark forces. I am only sharing it from my own personal experience. So there your spiritual practices, divine surrender, will help you a lot. So apart from divine surrender and your spiritual practices, you still have to be very stubborn that no matter how much cravings you have for eating junk food, you would not eat it. The stronger the willpower, the easier it becomes for a person to break their karmic pattern and karmic cycle, but still it cannot be broken in a month's time or 6 months time. Always remember that. So whenever you decide to break a karmic pattern or karmic cycle, you first have to bring changes in your daily habits. Other person cannot do anything in bringing change in your daily habits. It is you who would decide and will continue making changes in your daily habits, whether it is about your financial area, mental, emotional, or spiritual. When you decide to end a karmic cycle or karmic pattern, dark forces plays a lot of tricks, through other people to make you continue such habit, or through your own self. Maybe you would see that a lot of procrastination you will experience when you decide to end a karmic cycle or karmic pattern. So you must realize the people who have this belief system that karmic patterns can be broken through energy healing sessions. So you must remember that energy healing sessions can temporarily reduce emotional intensity. It can calm your nervous system and pain feel lighter. But then your belief system remains there itself in your energetic system, which you have to identify as a pattern, and you have to bring changes in your daily habit. And in case you are a twin flame, then there will be a lot of other spiritual practices or spiritual support you might require, as I had to. Another example, you have a habit of getting into toxic relationships. So initially when you allow someone or you become part of someone else's life, that time you know that person is pretending all good on surface level, and here you were not able to recognize their true color. But the moment you get into that relationship, all of a sudden, or maybe after a few days, few months, or maybe after a year time, which is in a lot of time I guess, you get to see their real identity, real true colors, which is actually toxic. Then you start questioning, so what is lacking here? Your quick decision making. Maybe you are so quick to get into a relationship, or maybe there are people who would do anything to make you trust on them that they are good people. They might say sorry, they might do love bombing, other sort of trickery is being used to make you trust or to make you believe that person is a good one. So here you did not listen to your intuition power, and to fully attune to your intuition power, you have to do a lot of thing. So you can always recognize a karmic pattern, karmic cycle in repeating forms. So in case you have been into multiple karmic relationships, you will see there is something what you need to change as a habit, as a decision making, or as a choice. So a person who claims to be a healer, who provides subconscious mind healing session, they cannot choose a person for your life in any kind of relationship. It is you who would be deciding it. No energy session can change your daily habits. This is what you have to remember before you create this kind of belief system that energy healing sessions can break karmic patterns or karmic cycles. So there are always many karmic lessons and karmic patterns, karmic cycles attached to each and every area of your life. Those 5 areas you have to work on in terms of doing the mastery during the inner work. So first you have to come into balance. You have to create the balance between these 5 areas. But if you're a real twin flame, know that the last part is having the mastery in those 5 areas. So those 5 areas are mental, emotional, physical, financial, and spiritual. There are a lot of negative belief systems and bad habits, toxic habits, which becomes a gateway for entering negative energy in their lives. So you have to close all those doors, and those are initially connected to your habits. So if you have a habit of eating food from anybody's hand, anybody, like they can be a family, friends, or maybe other person who is offering you food, and there can be n number of reasons. If you're an empath, you will be easily affected by their energy and vibration which is there in their food. So even though if you are having a habit of paying for it, you buy food by paying the money, still it is affecting your energy system. So you have to bring a lot of changes to your lifestyle, to your daily routine and daily habits, in case you decide to have a peaceful life and having a balance in those 5 areas. Creating a balance in those 5 areas is a time-taking process. Same way, karmic lessons takes time, whether it is about learning a lesson, because when you decide to learn a karmic lesson, you will see, a lot of trickery used by dark forces when they send you, toxic people in your life through a manipulative ways. Or there are people who are codependent on you, whether it is for money or for energy or for some other thing. They will keep on repeating, to get that particular thing from you through using manipulative techniques or tricks. So you have to identify. There are people in the session, they tell me, like, whenever they decide to identify one of the manipulative behavior of others, the next time they get to see another level of tricks, so they are not able to end the karmic cycle and karmic pattern. So the problem is they are actually in hurry. This is how this works. If you're dealing with a toxic person who is not ready to leave your life, they would try n number of manipulative tricks, and that might take a lot of time for you to learn. So if you're someone who have already taken sessions for subconscious mind healing, and you're still questioning why things are not becoming good or better for your life, whether any area of your life, whether it is about the relationship or other areas, so you must know there are karmic patterns and karmic cycles. First you have to recognize, identify, and have that acceptance that it will take time, and this is only for growth perspective. It is not there to punish you. It really helps you a lot when you start learning karmic lessons and start breaking karmic patterns. So I hope my point was clear, that there are people who think that energy healing session can help in clearing their subconscious mind healing. No, this is not possible, because each and every area of your life, those 5 areas, are connected to your subconscious mind healing, and there are karmic patterns, karmic cycles. You have to work on it, and it will take a lot of time. So this was about today's video. I'll see you in another video. Till then, take good care of self. Bye bye.